Hey everybody, I just got my YarnBox Classic for October 2016. Let's see what we've got in here. Oh, that's so pretty. Ooh, I like the blues. Ancient Arts Fiber. And this is... So it's 100% superwash fine merino, and it's a bulky weight. Oh, those colors are beautiful. Alright, and in here we've got... I'll hold these up so if you want to use the coupons you can. $1 off cobblestone wrap. Not 100% sure what that is, but there's a Ravelry. Oh, here's the information, more of the information. AngelaSmithRobinson.com. Alright, in here. Oh, okay. She's one of the designers this month. Ooh, that's cute. I think that's crocheted, I believe. And I'd say that's knit. Just ignore that. Oh, I like this. That is super cute. Very nice. So I'm going to say this might be the one that the pattern is, perhaps. Let me see. Oh, I love these. I love getting the cards with the stitches on the back. I think that is so cool. And it's a neat looking stitch. It's a bamboo stitch. Okay. A modern take on an ancient craft. See what it says here? Okay, there's two different yarns you could have got. The fingering weight blend was 49% wool, 34% mohair, 11% nylon, 4% acrylic, and 3% silk. But what we got was 100% superwash merino. And then it talks about the patterns and everything, which I'll hold this here if you want to kind of read that more. One thing that's not mentioned on here, at least I don't think so. No, not seeing it. Is my loom knit pattern, which you can get if you got the shipment. You got my loom knit pattern, which I used the bulkier yarn. So this was the type of yarn I used, but I had a different colorway, and it was the garter drop cow. It's basically a garter stitch with drop stitches in it, just to give it a little more texture. And the loom I used, which there's one finished, and I had enough of the yarn to make two of them. But this is the loom I use. It's the 48 peg adult hat loom, 5/8 inch gauge from Cindywood. This is actually the replacement loom for the purple nifty knitter looms. So for those of you who have the purple nifty knitter loom, or you're looking for the purple nifty knitter loom, this is a replacement for that loom. So this does have the same gauge, same number of pegs and everything. This pattern though can be done on any adult hat loom with, you know, a larger gauge. Don't be trying to do it with that yarn on something like this. Just simple logic there. As long as the loom has a peg number that is a multiple of 8, you can do it. It just will be a little wider or won't be as wide. That's really the only difference. And of course, the bigger the loom, the more yarn it's going to use. Oh, I love this. I cannot wait to make something with this. This is going to be so pretty. Let me see if it said it's a bonus size. Did it have a collar on here for it? Pull up your socks. I don't think it has a collarway wrote on it. Big squeeze, bonus size, bulky. It just has a lot number. Okay, so it just has a lot number. And of course, in the description below, there will be a link to the pattern, to the loom, to the yarn. A link to pretty much a little bit of everything. This yarn was really nice to work with. It's really soft and it feels good on. Sometimes the merino can be a little itchy, but this, it's not itchy at all. And I'm very, very happy with how the project came out. Yay! Okay, guys, really, that's all I've got for you today. Any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. If it's something more about YarnBox itself, may want to contact YarnBox directly. All the info will be in the description, of course. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.